how to transfer money from Wise to Payoneer. In this video, we're going to be talking about transferring money from your Wise to Payoneer and how you're going to do it. So it's really simple. Simply come on send money. You're going to enter the amount of money you want to send from here. And once you have done that, what you're going to do from here on out is you're going to click on add recipient. From here, you're going to click on see all options. And once you go to see all options, you're simply going to click on pay by email. Now, currently this option doesn't work for me because it's not available in my country. But what you're going to do is you're going to add their email. And what that usually does is it brings up their Payoneer account and you can send it to that. Or what you can do is you can basically go ahead and upload the screenshot or invoice from their Payoneer. So basically, if their Payoneer has an invoice received, ask them to send it to you. You're going to add that invoice receipt over here, and Wise is going to basically go ahead, fill in their details, where to send, where to not send, and Wise is going to send the money right over there. So that is how you can transfer money from Wise to Payoneer. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.